Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change avatar in Angry Birds 2. If you want to change your current avatar in Angry Birds 2, then the process is quite easy, so make sure to follow along till the end. First of all, open up the Angry Birds 2 app on your device, and once you're inside this main game screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. This will now take you to this profile section where you need to tap on your profile picture once again. On the next page, you will see a couple of avatars you can choose from. Go ahead and select one and click the tick mark. Soon after you do that, your chosen avatar will be displayed. Some of the avatars need some unlocking to do, so make sure you progress throughout the game. After selecting an avatar, click on Save Changes, and that's how you easily change your avatar in Angry Birds 2. If you've chosen to log in with Facebook, then your current Facebook profile picture will be updated as your Angry Birds 2's profile picture as well. So that's how you easily change to a unique avatar in Angry Birds 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.